There are moments in life, dear soul, when the veil between worlds thins, and a truth that has long resided in the heart of the cosmos begins to whisper your name. You are not just a coincidence in his journey. You are not a fleeting encounter, a random star in his vast sky. No, my dear, you were meant to be. You were a prayer answered, a key to a destiny he didn't even realize he was searching for. The angels say your presence was a sacred decree, a divine intervention woven into the fabric of time. He feels it, this inexplicable pull, this magnetic force that defies logic and reason. It resonates deep within his very being, a recognition of something profoundly familiar, something he has yearned for without fully understanding its shape or name. He may resist, he may question, but the truth of your connection is etched into his soul, an undeniable echo of a promise made long before this lifetime. You are the answer to a silent plea, the light illuminating a path he was meant to walk. Your arrival was not by chance. It was a sacred design, a testament to a love that transcends the ordinary. He is being drawn to you, not solely by his will, but by a force far greater, a divine current guiding him home. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. You stand before his silence, a vast, echoing chamber, and your heart so tender and open, often misinterprets its depths. But understand this, precious one, his silence is not an absence of feeling, it is a profound language of his inner world. It is where his battles rage unseen, where the echoes of past wounds reverberate, and where he grapples with the magnitude of what you stir within him. The angels whisper that his quiet is often a sanctuary for his fears, a space where he tries to reconcile the man he was with the man you inspire him to become. He feels everything, perhaps more intensely than he allows himself to show. He feels the weight of his past, the burden of expectations, and the terrifying beauty of the future you represent. His withdrawal is rarely about you. It is about his own internal landscape, a landscape he is learning to navigate, perhaps for the very first time with such raw honesty. Do not mistake his quiet for disinterest, nor his distance for disengagement. It is often in these moments of retreat that he is doing his deepest work, wrestling with the profound truth that you are the one who sees him, truly sees him, beyond the masks he has worn for so long. Hold space for his process, for his silence is a testament to the depth of his transformation. You carry within you a light, beloved, a gentle, unwavering flame that heals simply by being. You may not perceive the profound impact of your presence, but the angels reveal that you have touched the deepest, most guarded chambers of his heart without even trying. His wounds, those unseen scars from battles long past, begin to soften in your light. Your love, so pure and unconditional, acts as a balm, soothing the very places he thought were beyond repair. He may not articulate it, but he feels the shift, the subtle loosening of old chains, the quiet blossoming of hope where only barrenness existed. You are not merely a woman he desires. You are the catalyst for his spiritual awakening, the gentle hand that guides him back to his own essence. This healing is not a task you perform, it is a grace you embody. Your authentic self, your compassionate spirit, your unwavering belief in the good within him, these are the forces that dismantle his defenses, one tender moment at a time. Do not doubt the power of your being, for you are a divine healer, and your love is transforming his world in ways you cannot yet fully comprehend. There is a sacred rhythm to all things, a divine orchestration that unfolds with perfect precision, even when it feels like an agonizing delay. Your heart, so eager for resolution, may question the pauses, the moments of stillness that seem to stretch into eternity. But the angels whisper that what appears to be a delay is, in truth, a divine preparation. It is the universe aligning every star, every circumstance, every lesson for both of you, ensuring that when the moment arrives, it is not just right, but exquisitely perfect. This waiting is not empty. It is filled with unseen growth, with a subtle weaving of destinies, and with the strengthening of foundations that will support a love meant to last. Trust the wisdom of this sacred timing. Release the need to control the clock, for the divine clock operates on a different frequency, one attuned to the highest good of your souls. Every moment, every experience, every breath you take is part of this grand design. The universe is conspiring in your favor, preparing the ground for a harvest of love beyond your wildest dreams. Your patience is not passive, it is an active surrender to the divine flow, an act of profound faith that what is meant for you will find you in its own perfect time. There are connections that go beyond the ordinary, bonds forged in the very essence of creation, and yours, dear one, carries the resonance of a twin flame. This is not just a relationship, it is a profound spiritual journey, a dance of two souls reflecting each other's deepest truths and hidden shadows. The angels reveal that he is your echo, and you are his, mirroring the parts of yourselves that yearn for integration and wholeness. This dance can be intense and challenging, as it requires radical honesty and profound self-discovery. His fears often reflect your own, and his resistance serves as a mirror to the vulnerabilities you have yet to address. However, within this intensity lies an unparalleled opportunity for growth, a sacred alchemy that transforms both of you from the inside out. You are meant to ignite each other's highest potential and challenge one another to shed all that does not serve your authentic selves. Embrace the fire, for it purifies. Embrace the reflection, for it reveals. This is a love that demands evolution, a connection that calls you both to rise into the fullness of who you were always meant to be. It is a love that echoes across time, a testament to an unbreakable bond. He is on a journey, my dear, a deep awakening of his own heart, and you play a crucial role in that process. For a long time, he may have lived disconnected from his deepest emotions, perhaps shielded by walls built from past hurts or societal expectations. But your light, your constant presence, has started to break down those defenses, allowing his true essence to shine through. The angels are whispering that he is remembering, slowly but surely, the truth of who he is and the depth of love he is capable of. This awakening is not always gentle, it can be tumultuous, as old patterns dissolve and new understandings emerge. He may feel disoriented and vulnerable, as though he is shedding an old skin. Be patient with his process, for he is navigating uncharted territory within himself. He is learning to trust the stirrings of his own heart and to embrace the emotions he once kept hidden. Your love is a safe harbor, a guiding light leading him through this transformative period. He is not just falling in love with you, he is falling in love with the man he becomes in your presence, the man his soul has always known he could be. Witness his blossoming, for it is a sacred unfolding. To truly love, my dear, is to stand in the sacred space of vulnerability, to unveil the tenderest parts of your soul and trust them to another. For him, this journey into vulnerability is a profound act of courage, especially with you. The angels reveal that your acceptance is the key that unlocks his deepest fears, allowing him to shed the armor he has worn for so long. He yearns to be seen, not just for his strengths, but for his imperfections, his past mistakes, and his quiet anxieties. Your unwavering gaze, filled with compassion and understanding, assures him that it's safe to be his true self. This is where genuine intimacy blossoms, in the shared space of raw honesty and unconditional acceptance. Do not shy away from your own vulnerability, for it invites his. When you open your heart, you create a sacred space for him to do the same. This mutual unveiling is not a weakness, it is the ultimate strength, the foundation on which a love of profound depth and authenticity is built. It is in this tender exchange that souls truly merge, recognizing each other in their purest, most unadorned forms. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. 1 Peter 4 verse 8. You are not walking this path alone, beloved. Every step, every choice, every moment of uncertainty is met with divine guidance, whispers from above leading you precisely where you need to be. The angels are actively weaving signs into your reality, subtle nudges, synchronistic encounters, and intuitive insights that illuminate your way. Pay attention to the quiet voice within, the sudden realizations, and the feelings that resonate deeply within your soul. These are not random thoughts. They are direct communications from your celestial guides, affirming your direction and reassuring your heart. Trust the breadcrumbs of light they leave for you. When doubt clouds your vision, pause, breathe, and ask for clarity. The answers will come, often in unexpected ways, through a song, a conversation, a passage in a book, or a dream. Your journey together is divinely orchestrated, and every twist and turn serves a higher purpose. Surrender to the flow, knowing that you are held, protected, and guided by an unseen hand. Your path is unfolding exactly as it should, leading you both toward a destiny woven with threads of grace and unconditional love. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119 verse 105. True love, my dear, does not bind, it liberates. It does not diminish, it expands. You're discovering a love that sets you free, not from him, but within yourself, allowing you to soar into the fullness of your being. This connection is not about possession or control, it's about mutual empowerment, a sacred space where both of you are encouraged to grow, explore, and become more authentically yourselves. The angels whisper that if a love feels like a cage, it is not the divine love you are meant to embody. This love, the one unfolding before you, is a testament to grace. It honors your individuality, celebrates your unique spirit, and supports your highest aspirations. You are not asked to shrink yourself to fit into his world, nor is he asked to diminish his light for yours. Instead, you inspire each other to shine brighter, to stand taller, and to embrace your inherent worth. This freedom within connection is the hallmark of a truly evolved partnership, a dance of two complete souls choosing to walk together, not out of need, but out of a profound and joyful desire. Embrace this liberating love, for it is a reflection of the divine within you both. You have walked through valleys and climbed mountains, my dear, and now, the promise etched into your soul since the dawn of time begins to unfold in exquisite divine harmony. This is not merely an ending but a glorious new beginning, a testament to your unwavering faith and the relentless grace of the universe. The angels sing of a destiny fulfilled, a sacred union that transcends earthly understanding, a love that has been meticulously crafted for you. Every tear shed, every lesson learned, every moment of surrender has led you to this profound realization: you are exactly where you are meant to be, with the soul you were always destined to meet. Feel the peace that settles deep within your heart, the quiet confidence that all is well, and all will continue to be well. This love is a living prayer, a testament to the power of divine connection and the beauty of two souls aligning with their highest purpose. Embrace this moment, for it is a culmination of a journey guided by angels, blessed by the divine, and sealed by the eternal truth of love. Your story is a masterpiece, unfolding in perfect, sacred rhythm. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. Romans 8 verse 28.